Kasama natin ngayon, syempre, ang crush at ang pantasya ng bayan. Sir Derek Ramsey. Hi, Derek.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome to Paparazzi.
First time.
Kaka-contract signing mo pa lang, no? Ang usap-usapan, talagang napakalaki daw ng talent mo. Was that a consideration ba na paglipat mo dito sa TV5?
I would lie na kung sinabi ko hindi, diba? Of course it is. This is a business. Trabaho natin to. Actually, what people don't know, the offers were not that far apart, you know? But it's nowhere near what everyone's saying na 500 million. I wish.
What made you decide to move to TV5? Ano talagang nakakonvince sa'yo?
The projects, Amazing Race, Olympics, that's, you know, sports is my passion.
Hindi madali para kay Derek ang bawat intrigang kanyang pinagdaanan bago tuluyan maging kapatid. Pero sulit naman daw ito dahil sa mga proyektong nakalaan para sa kanya. Lalo pa at siya rin ang magiging ambassador ng Active Sports Channel.
That's what I'm really, really excited about. Sabi ko nga nung press ko na that's how I'm wired. I was born to love sport. At the end of the day, yun yung passion ko, yun yung drive ko. Yung pag-aarte, yung pag-host, that's something new. And what I liked about TV5 is the promise that they gave me to support the things that I love. So, how could I say no?
Would you also do teleseries for TV5 or puro sports shows?
I hope so. I'm not turning my back. Everyone thinks na puro sports lang gagawin ko. No, I'm not going to turn my back on acting.
Pero higit sa desisyong ito ay isa pang pagbabago sa buhay ang kailangang harapin ni Derek ngayon.
Angel and I, that's the longest relationship I've had, and definitely hands down the most serious relationship I've had.
Namuntik nang mag-lead sa marriage? Or you in that?
I felt like it was that already. Things happen, and unfortunately, for now, wala. But yeah, this is probably the first time na I'd say I'd leave the door open.
Do you intend to fall in love anytime soon or parang healing process ka muna?
Do I have any intention? No. Right now, I'm focused on my work, myself, and yeah, all the responsibilities that I have now with TV5.
Dahil sa pagbuhos ng magagandang biyaya kay Derek, marami tuloy ang nagsasabing swerte talaga ang naging pagtawid sa atin ng ating ultimate kapatid.
I heard that you always wear that rosary. Anong significance ng rosary na yan na hindi mo hinuhubad?
Ever since I got this rosary, good things have been happening.
Can we show it
to me.
or bawal?
It's always with me.
In your pocket.
This was given to me by a sister in Lipa. I'll never forget that day. I went there after my prayers, you know, we're walking around the church, and the sister comes up to me and says, para sa'yo to. Ginawa ko to para sa'yo. And she gave this to me, and I was like, she didn't know me. She didn't know I was coming. And yeah, she goes, alagaan mo to. And ever since then, good things have been happening to me, left and right. Whatever problems that arise, I seem to overcome. So, yeah, this means so much to me.
Welcome, kapatid.
Yes!
Okay, nako, balik tayo. Siyempre, ito na ang pagkakataon para ako'y magpasalamat sa lahat ng dahilan kung bakit ako nagiging ganito. Maraming salamat kay Lloyd Arceo ng Marikina City. Napaka-professional, sobra. At Maya Jones and June Porcero of Bambi Fuentes, Tita Ellen Leasing of Ellen Skincare, Warren Encarnacion of Cat Salon, Dr. Reynaldo David of David Surgery Center, Tita Arce Hernandez of Twin Princess Gems Theater Mall, Green Hills, JP Samson of 52 West Cars, Glutamax, Hammerhead, Musgir and Musgirl. Hi to LV Torres, Tito Manny Garcia, Zalde Aquino of Chicken Inato, and happy birthday to Tita Julie ng Copiroti. Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Siyempre, thank you, Bello Medical Group, Watering Hole, Shangri-La, La Carmela de Boracay, Boys of Vivian Sarabia, Posh Nails, Wade Shoes and Bohol Beach Club. And of course, happy birthday to our napakagwapong director.
Direk GB.
Direk GB.
Oh, happy birthday, Direk. Sana happy ka ngayon.
Di ba siya happy ngayon?
Hindi pa siya ganong happy. Sana maging happy siya. At Congresswoman,
Darating din
salamat.
yan. Yes, I'd like to thank Jerome Chang for my hair and makeup and Dr. Vicky Bella for my skincare. Thank you.
And Zoren?
Alright, ako naman, Posh Nails also.
Wow!
Bakit tayo
Wow,
nakikita
Posh
nun?
Nails.
Oo, pero-
Oh, syempre.
maliit.
Parang may pinaghahandaan ka talaga.
Oo nga eh. Tapos also, Doktora Ngo for my facial. Home service yan.
Oh!
Anytime kahit 2 a.m., 3 a.m.
Naku, magkaiba naman yun, ha?
And also Penguin of Shangri-La. Thank you very much.
Okay.
bongga.
And Tita Nene Ulanday, lagi nakatutok sa atin. Okay?
Okay, ngayon naman, kamustahin natin si Jelly para pa sa mas maraming showbiz update.
O, ayan. Parang Rufa lang. Kung namimiss niyo si Rufa, eto ang posing. Okay, kulitan to the next level na naman ang eksena ni Mr. Fu. Kasama ang ilan sa mga paborito ninyong mga celebrities. Sino-sino nga ba ang mga nakachika ni Mr. Fu this week? Panoorin natin sa Paparatsada!
Tara mga kapatid, i-celebrate natin ang 15 years ko sa showbiz. Chos, hindi, ng Cosmopolitan Magazine. O, halika na, maki-Cosmo na tayo. Ganon! Hindi ka makrampa na tayo. Ayan. O, sana kuhanan lang nila ako. Ano sikreto bakit mabango ang pawis?
Sa nagdadala kasi yun.
Ikaw na ang nagdadala ng mabangong pawis. Naman kaya ka pumapayat dahil wala si Krista Kleiner.
Yeah, that's part of it as well too.
Dahil dyan, hindi na lang daw si Krista Kleiner, si Krista Ranillo na lang daw. Paano ka naging cosmopolitan?
Just living in Manila itself makes us all very cosmopolitan because everyone here is so chic and everyone here is so fabulous.
Congratulations, candidate number 25.
Thank you so much.
Di ba ako sumama sa mga extreme sports nyo?
Pwede. Kukunin ko yung number mo, mamaya. Kukunin ko yung number mo, mamaya.
Uy, kukunin niya yung number ko. Okay lang?
Sure.
Sige, kami na. Kami na. Sabi ng pink bang lipstick yan?
Hello.
Sino ang inspiration mo dahil ang ganda mo ngayong gabi?
Ikaw?
Wow! Lesbianism ito. So, kamusta naman si Tyra Banks?
Okay naman siya. Model pa rin.
Sabi kasi nila formal daw eh. Sexy formal.
Let's check. Oh yes, you are sexy. Sabi nila kapag kulot daw ang buhok, may love life.
Ay talaga, magpapakulot ako everyday.
What's your favorite song? He sang.
What?
Parang mali English ko. Meron akong aaminin sa interviewing ito.
Ano yung aaminin mo?
Crush kita. Cheesy. Dahil dyan, ako na raw papalit kay Julia Montes.
Agad?
Ang susunod mong cover, anong gusto mong cover for Cosmo?
Kahit ano,
Kahit mas sexy pa sa sexing nagawa mo.
ay sure.
Dahil sexy ka naman.
Mas sexy ka.
Ang taray, Marian, Juday, Angel. Ang susunod daw dyan, Mr. Fu. Congratulations naman sa Cosmopolitan Magazine. At yan ang paparatsada para sa Paparazzi Showbiz Expose. Kanon! Taray, oh. Bagay